you encountered difficulties while attempting to acquire a new language? I certainly have. Which is why I offer you some valuable tips to make your initiation into the Hungarian language more enjoyable. How to begin the process? Just a few words in your vocabulary. Step 1. Articles. The first step is to introduce some high-frequency words, such as definite and indefinite articles. Az and egy. Egy táska, egy útlevél, egy jegy, egy bőrönd, egy taxi. A táska, az útlevél, a jegy, a bőrönd, a taxi. Step 2. Infinitive verb forms. Add basic verb forms, including infinitive forms, to the nouns. This approach might result in sentences that aren't entirely precise, but it provides a foundation for your initial language journey. Kinyitni a táska, megmutatni az útlevél, venni egy jegy, hívni egy taxi, cipelni a bőrönd. Step 3. Suffixes. Learn some frequently used suffixes and incorporate them into your words, like accusative case endings. While not present in the English language, it is well known in languages like Russian. In Hungarian, these can be t, ot, et, öt, or ot endings. Kinyitni a táskát, t. Megmutatni az útlevelet, t. Venni egy jegyet, t. Hívni egy taxit, t. Cipelni a bőröndöt, t. Please note that there are other case endings and suffixes to learn, but starting with these simple forms is beneficial for beginners. Step 4. Conjugation. Learn the appropriate verb endings to indicate the first, second, or third person in singular and plural forms in various tenses and modes. As a beginner, you can start your journey by learning the first person singular forms in the present tense to establish a foundation. Kinyitom a táskát, megmutatom az útlevelet, veszek egy jegyet, hívok egy taxit, cipelem a bőröndöt. Now your sentences are all accurate, so attempt to construct similar ones by employing 4-step sequence you've just learned. If you would like to learn more about these steps, hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.